What are you talking about, Allison? Luisa?
Walang kinalaman si Luisa dito. Huwag niyo siya sisihin.
Well, he's right. Wala namang kasalanan si Luisa. Malaking utang ni loob ko sa kanya. Hindi ba, Lolo, yan ang gusto niyong mangyari na maging close kami ni Luisa? We're now closer than ever because he's back in my life.
Fred. Fred.
Yan ba nililihim mo sa akin? Why did you tell me?
Fred, ako ba talaga dapat magsabi nun? Bungay ni Allison at ni Sir Mark yun. Hindi ako dapat nakikialam doon.
Sir Mark?
Professor ko siya sa university. Hindi ko na maalam na siya yung ex ni Allison eh. Fred, ayaw mo ba talagang sumaya si Allison? Hindi na siya bata. Malay mo ito na yung huling pagkakataon na makahanap siya ng totoong magmamahal sa kanya.
But you don't know that man, Luisa. Hindi siya pwede pagkatiwalaan. Kung pera ang habol niya sa apo ko noon, yung pa rin ang habol niya sa kanya ngayon.
What?
Yan ba gusto mo mangyari kaya dinala mo ko rito? Kaya pala hindi mo sa akin sinasabi kung saan tayo pupunta. Napahamak pa si Luisa. Saan hindi mo na lang siya dinamay?
But I didn't do anything wrong. I was just telling the truth. But kaya ba ikaw na-upset because of that? Dahil nadadamay si Luisa? Well, don't worry. I can talk to Lolo. Excuse me.
Are you all right, Jared? Anong nararamdaman mo?
I'm sad, frustrated, disappointed. Yeah, but that's my family for you. They have their moments. Sometimes.
But this is not happening all the time.
Ma'am, nag-aalala po ako sa babalikang environment ni Jared. So stressful. Ayaw naman po nating baliwalain ang pagsisikap po ni Jared sa rehab. Yung progress po niya. We're considering what should be the best for Jared at this point. But sadly to say, coming home is not an option.
Come on, counselor.
Wala yun.
It's okay.
Ma'am, mauuna na po kami.
Tara na.
Wait! Isa sandali. Jared!
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay now. It's okay.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Oh. Jared, wait, please, counselor.
I love you, Mom. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't leave yet.
It's okay, it's okay. I love you, Mom.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Thank you.